Hey, it's Todd Ault from Risk International. We've got some very exciting news. We've got a major tech announcement that will be revealed on January 3rd, so mark your calendars. Pay attention because you won't want to miss this one. I promise you, you are not going to want to miss this. This is a long time in the making. I wish I could tell you more, but all I can say is we're speaking about generative AI. On January 3rd, something huge is coming, so be ready. Hey, on a personal note, I lived through the internet. I lived through the time when cell phones became common. There was a time where I even told people, why would I need a cell phone when I have a pager? I could always use a payphone. I remember how stupid I was at one point when I said, why would I need air conditioning in my car when I can just roll down my windows? Tech is changing our world. This AI technology, it's huge generational leaps. The internet was a big deal, and yet it took some time for us to all get on board. But AI is coming in a big way. You're going to want to be part of this. You're going to want to understand what this is. This isn't OpenAI. This isn't ChatGPT. It's something big that our tech partners have been working on for 5 years. You're going to want to see it. Do not miss this. This is super important. I've been working on this a long time. Pay attention to this. It's going to happen on January 3rd. It's going to be a big deal. We'll see you on January 3rd. Everyone, Happy New Year.